Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss objective part of Special CSS General Science and Ability paper of the year 2023. So let's start. Question 1 is, apparently the solar system is moving around the galaxy with a speed of 200 km per second. ऑप्शंस में ज़्यादा सूटेबल यही लग रहा था, लेकिन हकीकत में अगर कैलकुलेशंस की जाए तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट कैलकुलेशंस its speed is around 220 to 250 km per second. The image formation in the James Webb Space Telescope is due to infrared rays. In general, the cancer in a human body is caused by the changes to DNA. In a year, light travels a distance of 9.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 12 km. The location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts is called hypocenter. During the combustion of gasoline in a vehicle engine, the energy used is chemical energy. A bar is System International Unit to measure pressure. बार प्रेशर का यूनिट है, लेकिन सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल का जो प्रेशर का यूनिट है वो असल में पास्कल है. One may define renewable energy as all the given options were correct and that were energy derived from non-traditional sources, energy derived from sources that do not use up natural resources or harm the environment, and the last option was energy fueled into ways that do not use up natural resources or harm the environment. The sky looks blue due to the scattering of sunlight by the atmosphere. It is also known as Rayleigh scattering. Soil pollution is caused by all the given options were correct and those were aerosol, ozone and acid rain. The correct full form of AI is artificial intelligence. A cyclone is generated due to all the given options were correct and those were high temperature, high humidity and low pressure. The radioactive isotopes are formed by neutrons bombardment on the nucleus. These incident neutrons must have dashed to penetrate the nucleus. Very high velocity. An enzyme is a chemical substance that is found in living creatures. It is a protein. An antibiotic is a drug used to treat infections caused by bacteria. In the covalent bonding, two atoms share electrons with each other. The day and night are formed due to Earth rotation on its own axis from west to east. The chemical formula for methane gas is CH4. The artificial intelligence term was invented by John McCarthy. Disease causing microorganisms are referred to as pathogens. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.